Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Beginner English Room. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. It's great to have you here with us today.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more English conversation practice.
And share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
So, today, we're going to practice English with a conversation that might actually change your life.
Yes, and trust me, by the end of this video, you might start seeing your daily choices very differently. Sarah, can I ask you something a little strange?
Of course. What is it?
What if I told you that one small decision you make today could completely change your future?
That sounds dramatic, but also interesting. What kind of decision are we talking about?
That's the thing. It doesn't look important at first. In fact, most people ignore it every single day.
Now I'm curious. What is it?
I'll tell you, but first, let me ask you something simple. What did you do this morning?
This morning? Nothing special. I woke up, checked my phone, drank coffee, the usual.
Exactly, the usual. That's where everything begins.
Wait, are you saying my normal routine is a problem?
Not a problem, but maybe an opportunity you're missing.
An opportunity from checking my phone?
Yes, because every time you choose what to do first in the morning, you're shaping your future without realizing it.
That sounds a bit scary.
It is, and most people don't notice it until it's too late.
Okay, now you really have my attention. Explain this to me.
All right, imagine two people.
Okay.
Both wake up at the same time. Both have the same goals. Both want to improve their English, their life, everything.
Sounds fair so far.
But one person spends 30 minutes scrolling on their phone.
And the other?
The other spends just 10 minutes practicing English, listening, speaking, repeating.
Only 10 minutes? That doesn't sound like much.
Exactly. That's the twist. It doesn't feel important.
But I'm guessing it becomes important later.
Yes. After 1 week, there's a small difference. After 1 month, a bigger difference. After 1 year, they are completely different people.
Wow. So the small choice becomes a big result?
Not just big, life-changing.
Let's pause for a moment. Think about your morning.
What do you usually do first?
Do you choose something that helps you grow?
Or something that just passes time?
There's no right or wrong answer, but there is a consequence.
Sarah, can I tell you a quick story?
I love stories. Go ahead.
A few years ago, I met someone named Daniel.
Who is Daniel?
Just an ordinary guy, nothing special. He wanted to speak English fluently, but he always said, "I'll start tomorrow."
That sounds familiar.
Yes, one day, he decided to change just one thing.
What did he change?
Every morning, instead of checking his phone, he practiced English for 15 minutes.
Only 15 minutes?
Yes, and at first, nothing happened.
That must have been discouraging.
Very. He almost quit after a week.
So what stopped him?
This is the interesting part. He didn't see results, but he felt something different.
What do you mean?
He felt a little more confident each day, just a little.
Confidence before results? That's unusual.
Exactly. Most people wait for results to feel confident, but he became confident first, and then the results followed.
That's powerful.
After 3 months, he could hold basic conversations. After 6 months, he started helping others.
And after 1 year?
He got a job where he had to speak English every day.
Wait, all of that started from just 15 minutes a day?
Yes, that's why I said, one small decision can change everything.
Let's practice something together. Repeat this sentence.
I can improve my life with small daily actions.
Say it again.
I can improve my life with small daily actions.
Good. Now one more.
I will start today, not tomorrow.
Repeat it confidently.
I will start today, not tomorrow.
Sarah, do you think everyone can do this? Honestly, no.
Why not?
Because most people don't fail because they can't. They fail because they don't start.
That's true. Starting is the hardest part.
But here's something even more interesting.
What?
Sometimes the real problem isn't starting.
Then what is it?
It's stopping right before something big happens.
That sounds like there's another story coming.
There is, and this one is even more surprising.
All right, now I'm curious. What happened?
Let's just say someone gave up at the exact moment they were about to succeed.
That sounds painful.
It is, but it's also something many people do without realizing it.
Okay, now I really want to know this story.
And you will. But first, think about this.
How many times have you stopped when you were actually very close?
In the next part, we'll explore this idea through a powerful conversation that might change how you see failure forever.
Sarah, you said someone stopped right before they were about to succeed. What happened?
Yes, this story is a bit different. It's not about success at first. It's about frustration.
That sounds more realistic already.
Exactly. Because real change doesn't feel exciting in the beginning. It feels slow and sometimes even pointless.
So who was this story about?
It's about a girl named Emma.
What was she trying to do?
She wanted to learn English, just like many of our viewers.
All right, that sounds simple.
That's what she thought too. She started strong. Every day she practiced. She listened, she repeated, she wrote new words.
Sounds like she was doing everything right.
Yes, but after 2 weeks, something changed.
Let me guess, she didn't see results.
Exactly. She still made mistakes. She still felt nervous speaking. She still couldn't understand fast conversations.
That can be really discouraging.
It was, and slowly she started asking herself a dangerous question.
What question?
Is this even worth it?
That question can stop anyone.
Yes, and one day she decided to quit.
Just like that?
Not suddenly. It felt like a small decision. She said, "I'll skip today."
Ah, the classic just one day.
Yes, but that one day turned into 2, then a week.
And just like that, everything stopped.
Exactly. No big failure, no dramatic moment, just silence.
That's actually scary because it feels so normal.
That's the problem. Most people don't fail because they try and lose. They fail because they slowly stop trying.
So what happened to Emma?
Here's the twist.
I knew there was a twist coming.
A few months later, she met someone.
Who?
Another learner. Someone who started at the same time as her.
And?
That person didn't quit.
Let me guess, they became fluent?
Not perfect, but confident, comfortable, able to communicate.
That must have been hard for Emma to see.
It was, because in that moment, she realized something painful.
What did she realize?
She wasn't far behind because she was bad at English.
Then why?
Because she stopped.
Let's stop here for a second.
Think about this carefully.
How many times have you stopped something,
Not because you couldn't do it.
but because you didn't see results fast enough?
This is where most people lose their chance.
So what did Emma do after that? Did she give up completely?
No. And this is where things change.
I'm listening.
Instead of feeling jealous, she felt something else.
What?
Regret.
That's a strong feeling.
Yes, but sometimes regret can wake you up.
So she decided to try again?
Yes, but this time she did something differently.
What changed?
She stopped focusing on results.
That sounds risky.
It does, but instead she focused on one simple rule.
Which is?
Don't skip twice.
Don't skip twice. That sounds interesting.
It's very simple. If she missed one day, it was okay. But she promised herself never miss 2 days in a row.
That actually sounds doable.
Exactly. No pressure to be perfect, just consistency.
And did it work?
At first, it felt slow again.
Of course, change is never instant.
But this time, she didn't quit, even when it felt boring, even when it felt useless.
That's the difference.
Yes, and after some time, something surprising happened.
Another twist.
Yes, she started understanding conversations without translating in her head.
That's a big moment for any learner.
It is, and the best part? She didn't even notice when it started happening.
Let's turn this into practice. Repeat this sentence.
I will not stop when it feels slow.
Again.
I will not stop when it feels slow.
Good. Now another one.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
Say it confidently. Sarah, this is powerful, but I feel like there's still something missing.
What do you mean?
We've talked about starting and not quitting.
Yes.
But what about people who are already trying and still feel stuck?
That's a very important question.
Because many viewers might be thinking, I didn't quit, but I'm not improving either.
Exactly. And that leads to the biggest mistake of all.
Bigger than quitting?
Yes, because this mistake is silent, and most people don't even realize they're making it.
Now I'm really curious. What is it?
Let's just say it's the reason why some people practice for years and still don't feel confident speaking English.
That sounds serious.
It is. But once you understand it, everything changes.
All right, I'm ready for this.
In the next part, we'll talk about this hidden mistake and how to fix it with a simple shift. And trust me, this might be the part that truly changes your life.
All right, Sarah. You said there's a mistake that keeps people stuck even when they don't quit. What is it?
It's simple, but also surprising.
I'm ready.
Most people don't fail because they stop.
Then why?
Because they practice without thinking.
Without thinking? What does that mean?
They repeat words, memorize sentences, watch videos, but they don't connect it to real life.
So they're learning, but not really using it.
Exactly. It becomes passive, and passive learning feels safe, but it doesn't create real change.
So what should they do instead?
They need to make learning active.
How?
By asking themselves one simple question every day.
Which is?
How can I use this today?
That sounds powerful.
It is, because the moment you start using English in your real life, everything changes.
Do you have an example?
Yes, and this one might surprise you the most.
I'm listening.
Do you remember Daniel?
The one who practiced 15 minutes every day?
Yes, everyone thinks his success came from consistency.
But you're going to tell me that's not the full story.
Exactly.
So what's the truth?
After a few months, Daniel stopped improving.
Wait, what?
Yes, he was consistent, he didn't quit, but he felt stuck.
That's unexpected.
Very. And for a moment, he thought, maybe this is my limit.
That's a dangerous thought.
It is, but then something happened.
Another twist?
Yes. One day, instead of just practicing alone, he tried something different.
What did he do?
He spoke.
But he was already practicing speaking, right?
No, he was repeating, not communicating.
Ah, I see the difference.
That day, he had a real conversation. It wasn't perfect. He made mistakes. He felt nervous.
But he continued?
Yes, and that conversation changed everything.
What was different about that moment?
For the first time, English was not just practice. It was real.
Real communication.
Yes, he wasn't thinking about grammar. He wasn't translating in his head.
Then what was he doing?
He was expressing himself.
That's a big shift.
And here's the most important part.
What?
He realized that fluency is not about knowing everything.
Then what is it about?
It's about using what you already know.
Let's pause again. This is important.
You don't need to learn everything before you start speaking.
You just need to start using what you already know.
Repeat this sentence.
I will use what I know.
Again.
I will use what I know.
Good. Now one more.
I am ready to speak, even if it's not perfect.
Sarah, this changes everything.
It does, because now learning is no longer slow and boring.
It becomes alive.
Exactly. Every conversation becomes practice. Every mistake becomes progress.
And every small action becomes meaningful. Let's look back at everything we talked about today.
Small choices matter.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
Don't stop when it feels slow.
And most importantly,
use what you learn in real life.
So now, let me ask you one final question.
This should be interesting.
What if the life you want
is not far away?
What if it's just one small decision away?
One sentence, one habit, one conversation.
And what if you already have everything you need to start?
You don't need to wait for the perfect time.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to begin.
And continue.
Even when it feels slow.
Even when it feels difficult.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to the channel for more English practice like this.
Share it with someone who needs this message today.
And remember,
this small moment
might be the one that changes your life.